So now what is the significance of record marker in CSV? Okay. What is the significance of record marker in CSV field? Okay. So if you put a cursor here, it will show enter record identifier in CSV file. What happens is in some cases, there will be a CSV file. There will be a CSV file which contains different records. Different records. When I say different means, what happened? So here you see all these records are identical or not. Records in the sense the structure. All these are records are identical. Data is different. Data is different means the structure of the records is same, right? Am I right or not? All the records are related to orders. Okay. Every record contains the same functional what we say what we say the word, I'm not getting the word exactly. Same functionality. All the records related to same functionalities like orders. Suppose it is possible that one file contains different sets of records. One is orders, okay, maybe something called order details, etc., or something called invoices, okay. So the structure of order is different, the structure of invoice is different, okay. So in those cases, so I want only order records to be converted into XML. I don't want invoices to be converted into XML. Okay. So this is the nature of source system which send multiple or different records in one CSV file. Okay. So it is our job to filter out only some specific records and convert them into XML and send it to receiver. So how do we achieve that filter? Is through this particular record marker. Okay, this record marker helps to do that filter. So for that, CSV file must be in this format, guys. There should be record marker field. Record marker. Okay. So suppose O I O I H O. See, this first line, right? This is the record mark. This is not any data, guys. This is not any data. This is generated by source application to identify type of the record. When O is there, right? It is orders. When I is there, it is invoice. H is there, it is some different record. Okay. H is there, some different record. Okay. So now, as per our requirement, I need to convert or consider only orders. I need to consider only orders. So what you need to do? What you need to do? You put record marker in CSV as O. Okay. Now I give the input like this. Okay, click OK. And then do the conversion. So simulation is completed. Copy this. Okay. Now you got the records. So how many records you got? See, 10248 you got in the output. 10249 you got in the output. 10250 you got in the output. 251 is not there. See, 250, after that 253 is there. So, but in the input, if you see 250, 251 and 252 are for I. Record marker is I. That's why it did not consider. Again, 253 is there. After that, 254 and 255 will not be there. See, after 253, 254 and 255 are not there. Directly 256. Understood? Only 5 records we got in the output. So here, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 records. And you need to observe one more thing. This particular data will not come in the output, guys. This is only used to identify the record. This is only used to identify the record. Clear? Clear or any doubts here? Simple, right? Simple, not simple, understood, not understood? Hello? Guys, please respond, guys.
Yes, understood.
Others, only I am hearing one voice every time. What about others?
Yes, we understood.
Yeah. So again, I am saying this is all will be discussed during the requirement phase itself, guys. Requirement phase means what? What do you mean by requirement phase? Suppose you are constructing a house. You are constructing a house. What are the initial steps, guys? What are the initial steps? You call a builder and you tell him, I want a house. Okay, construct. He will construct. Like that? Hello?
We need to purchase the land first.
Okay, I assume I have a land. Okay, I need to construct house.
Planning.
Yeah. So there is a builder who will do the construction, right? I am the owner, right? I need to share him the plan. Okay, I need, okay, these many bedrooms are, this is the size are from here to here. I need to share the plan. I need to tell him, okay, this kind of material you have to use, this kind of material you have to use here, this kind of, right? You use this kind of bricks, or all those things will come under contract, right? So while negotiating him with the contract, okay, so you have to tell your requirements, then he will tell the price, right? So once both parties are agreed, the builder starts construction, and the house should look like, house should be in the same requirements what I have asked him, right? So I gave one plan and he construct another plan. There is a dispute. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
So similarly here also, while designing the interface in the initial phase, there will be requirement gathering call. What to be done? What to be done? How do you share the data? How do you share the data? In which format? In which authentication mechanism you use, right? And what should I send it to here? In which format? So everything will be discussed in a detailed fashion and everything will be documented. That document we call as functional specification or functional design document. One document, things will be put in a document. And he will share, okay, this is the format I will send the data. And he will share, this is the format I need the data. Okay. So everything will be documented. As part of that, the interface will be developed. Once the interface is developed, they will do the testing. It's not over yet. They will do the testing. All kind of test cases they will run. Once everything is working as expected, then only it will be moved, it will be deployed in production. Production means where real orders will be coming in and real orders will be sent into the system, and then the products will be delivered real time, right? So that is what, that is how it is. So in the design phase itself, they will say, so what kind of data I will send? Okay, I will send multiple records. You need to use this record marker field, okay, to segregate, to filter out the records you want, and then you have to convert into XML in this format, and then you have to send it to me. So this is all will be there during the requirement. Based on that, we need to understand the requirement clearly and act. Okay. So now next. So we have CSV to XML converter we discussed. What is the opposite, guys? What is the opposite? What is the opposite of CSV to XML converter?
XML to CSV.
XML to CSV. It is obvious, right? Some people may send in XML and receiver expects in CSV format. In those cases, what we need to do? We need to use CSV to XML to CSV converter. So you have to go to this message transformers. See, this transformation itself says one format to other format, right? So whatever the options here, right? These are all options are used for doing transformation from one format to other format. Okay. So in this converter is one section. So now XML to CSV. So this is one way of identifying the block. There is another way. So click here, click the plus button. Here you write XML to CSV converter. You get it. Got it? This is the other way. Okay. Now see XML to CSV. What are all the options we have? See, path to source element in XSD. So means for XML to CSV converter, what is the input, guys? What is the expected input here? What is the expected input format?
XML format.
XML. So there must be XML here, the input. So here there must be XML. So in the XML, what it is saying, path to source element means which part of the XML file you want to convert into CSV. Suppose here in this particular case, we have, this is the XML, right? So now which part you want to convert into XML, CSV? So which part we would like to convert? I want this data in the CSV field, CSV file. Okay. The data must be 10248, VI net, 5, like that I want. So then what do you do? What is the path for this? It is nothing but we are converting the record structure into CSV, right? So the path you should give as orders/record. Orders/record. So when you say order/record, whatever is there under record node, all the fields will be converted into CSV. The field separator, comma, okay, include field name as headers. You see, in the CSV to XML converter, we excluded, right? We excluded header line. We have option to exclude. Here we have an option to include. Got it? Include field name as headers. If you include, then you get a header line with the field names. If you do not include, then you don't get header line. Got it? So I am putting include. Right? So with these options, let us start converting. Okay. These options, let us start converting. Okay. So I put the stop simulation here, guys. I put the stop simulation here. Okay. I give the input here like this. Okay. So, okay, I click on run simulation. See here, this is the input to XML to CSV converter. See here, order ID 10248, all this, right? Now, what is the output you got? See, clear? This is the header line. We have selected the checkbox, include header line. That's why we got this option, this line. If we had selected, if we have unselected this, we would not have got that header line. Correct? Clear, right? I'm not doing one more simulation. Okay. So now what is this? Include parent element. Path to parent element. So to explain this, I need to go for different, what we say, XML. Okay, different XML. Okay. So what is the significance of this is, suppose I will go for different XML. Okay. So where is, yeah, items, not this one. So let me choose one more XML. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay. So I'm taking this XML as an input here. Okay. So I put the start simulation here, guys. So here I will give this input. You see, so what it contains? What it contains? It contains, there is a node called header and multiple items. Okay. So there is one more trailer. So for trailer, okay. So in the output, I want items as well as header. As well as header. I want the header. This is a header node and 4 different items node. Okay. So for this, what is the XPath you give? First of all, so for converting this XML into CSV, what should I give here? I want items, guys. I want these items to be converted into CSV. So what is the XPath I should give? The data under items should be converted into XML. What should be the XPath? Can somebody tell me? Yeah. Is it visible? Yeah. Now tell me, what should I give the XPath to convert data under items into CSV? What is the XPath?
Header slash items.
Header
Slash items. Or else slash CSV slash header slash items.
CSV. Where is CSV here?
We need to convert CSV file, right? Okay.
Anyone else? Is it correct? See, guys. So what is the XPath for material number here? Can somebody tell me what is the XPath for material number? What is the XPath of material number? What is the XPath of material number?
Header slash
Header
item
slash
slash material
item
number.
slash
Sorry,
material
sorry.
Header slash item slash material number.
Header slash item slash material number. Okay. Okay, clear. Okay. So I think you have to understand what is the XPath. I think you missed some basics. Okay. So let me explain here. Okay. So guys, what is XPath mainly? What is the XPath? Why we use XPath? Why we use XPath? So to find, okay, to find or to retrieve the data of a particular field. Am I correct?
Yes.
It is just like identifying uniquely a field name in the XML. As simple as identifying a person's address in a particular village, or identifying a person in this entire country. So what we have discussed initially while explaining, so there is this parent-child relationship will be there in XML. Okay. So who is the father for this material number? Who is the father of material number here? Who is the
Items.
parent? Items. Am I correct? Who is the father of items?
Header.
Is it header? Header has separate family, madam. Actually, header and items both are brothers, or both are sisters, or brother and sister. See, items has a different family, headers has a different family. Maybe because it was minimized earlier, you got confused, right?
Yeah.
Header is of same family. Sorry, header has separate family, items is separate family. But these two are the sons of delivery. Am I correct?
Yes.
I mean, children of delivery. Am I right?
Yeah. Root node.
Root node. Suppose I am removing XML for now. Sorry, namespace for now. We will come to this later. So now tell me, what is the XPath of items?
Delivery.
Delivery?
Delivery slash items.
Delivery slash items. That is the XPath. Okay. Right?
Yes.
So you found right what you did, the mistake?
Yes. Yes.
Delivery slash items. So when I do this delivery slash items, I unselect this. What happens? See. I do the run simul. Oh, sorry. Here also I'll remove this. I mean, this namespace has some separate concept. We will come to this later. Okay, now see the output. See 4 items. 687, 677, 687, 697. See 4 items. We have 687, 677. All 4 items are converted. Okay, what I am saying is, along with these 4 items, I want this header also. In those cases, what you can do, you can utilize this particular option here. Include parent element. Path to parent element is delivery slash header. When I do this, what happens? Under header will also be converted. See now. See, there is a space after that, which indicates this is a parent or header line and these are items. Got it? So both structures are different. Got it, guys, everyone? So by using
Yes.
this particular option, we can convert extra header, which is of different structure compared to items. Right? Clear, everyone?
Yes, clear.
So we continue in the next class. We'll let you know about what is attribute values in coming classes. Okay, attributes and that namespace. Okay. As of now,
Okay.
please practice till here.
Okay.
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 No
Thank
problem.
you. Thank you all.